Hey, hi, this is Noemi Smith, inviting you to participate in my Patreon page and follow me in this journey, what it means to be an artist. You will have a glance of my studio and the works that I do here, pretty much a work in progress of everything. I'm always doing something, I'm always making on the sculpture, casting, making baby dolls, silicone dolls. I am a figurative artist. I paint, I cast, I reproduce, I do hair, and there's a bunch of things you can find here if you are a doll artist, or a sculptor, or a baby artist. So I will appreciate greatly your support when you join me, and actually you will encourage me to keep sharing just what I do here. This is a reopening on my Patreon, so I'm no longer offering classes here. They are always available for you to purchase on my Etsy store, but you will find here any kind of little tutorials that I made, and you'll be able to see the process of the pieces I'm working in. It's like being next to me working in the studio, so I'm pretty sure you will have a good you will enjoy that here, and I hope so. So yeah, that's all. Thank you, and I hope to see you around. We will be able to interact. I'm planning on doing a live session, so maybe we can have a chat or something in group. And yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful time.